Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make an easy peasy filigree ring. This is using a jig and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Cut one length of 1mm wire 42 centimeters long and set your pegs in your jig the full length of the ring band that you will need, and then with some little pegs in the middle to give some shape and interest. So there's a peg on each end and then some in the middle. It doesn't really matter how many you put there, but you can see we're going to start at the top, make a loop, and then start winding our way down the pegs. I do apologize for the flashes from the plastic jig that are coming back at you, but I couldn't figure out a way to solve that. So I'm sorry it's flashing a little bit. Let's just do our best. So I've wound the wires from the top down through the pegs to the bottom wire, around it, cross over, back up, and then I'm just working my way through the pegs. You can choose any way to do this, but going backwards and forwards a little bit will add a bit of detail to that area of the ring, which will be the top of your ring. Just keep crisscrossing and wrapping around to make a pretty shape, and keep pushing down with your pliers just to make sure that the wires sit down all in one level place, and then up to the top, around the top peg again, and then a final twist and bend your wire in to fit in with the design and to finish it off. Then just push it down with your pliers, a final pressing down so that they're all level. I have used a very soft aluminium wire here, but I think it will be a much nicer and stronger ring once you have mastered this style, is to use a beautiful silver wire or a copper wire, and then it'll make a stronger ring. Take your wire off your jig, just slide it off the pegs, and then do a final tidy up and take the little top tail and bend it around the top loops just to secure all of your wires together neatly. Using your nylon hammer now, just tap it all gently together so that all of the twisted wires settle into each other. If you wanted to, halfway through making this, you could have added a few sparkly beads and then carry on. So this design is just a base for you to make all sorts of your own ideas, and I'm sure you will. Bend the whole shape around your ring mandrel at the size you will need, and then gently tap again to fit all those wires together into place and to set them together. This is an adjustable ring, so you can make it any size, and if you want a really big ring, just add more wire and put your pegs further apart. Isn't that sweet? It turned out so well. Thank you for watching. Please take great care of yourselves. Bye-bye.